The spark of life, a grand puzzle. Where did we come from? It's a question as old as humanity itself. How did life in all its complexity arise from the non-living? For centuries, the answer seemed shrouded in mystery. But thanks to the tireless work of scientists, we're starting to piece together the incredible story of life's origins. At the heart of this story lies a tiny marvel, the cell. It's the fundamental unit of life, a microscopic world teeming with activity. But how did these remarkable structures come to be? Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of cells, exploring their origins, their inner workings, and their incredible diversity. We'll uncover the secrets of how cells are formed, how they specialize to perform unique tasks, and how they work together to create the incredible tapestry of life we see around us. Get ready. It's going to be a wild ride through the microscopic universe that exists within each of us. Imagine Earth billions of years ago, a hot, volatile place with a very different atmosphere. This was no Garden of Eden, but rather a churning cauldron of chemicals. Yet within this seemingly inhospitable environment, the seeds of life were sown. Scientists believe that in this primordial soup, simple organic molecules, the building blocks of life, began to form.
Over eons, these molecules interacted and combined in countless ways. Most of these combinations led nowhere, but every now and then, something extraordinary happened. Through a process we still don't fully understand, these molecules assembled into more complex structures, eventually forming the precursors to the first cells. These weren't the sophisticated cells we know today, but simpler, more primitive structures. But they held within them the spark of life, the potential for growth, replication, and evolution. It's mind-boggling to think that these early cellular pioneers were the ancestors of every living thing on Earth today, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, and even you and me.
So what exactly is a cell? Picture a bustling city teeming with activity. That's a cell in a nutshell, a microscopic metropolis jam-packed with different structures, each with its own important job.
At the heart of this city is the cell nucleus, the control center that houses the cell's genetic blueprint, DNA. It's like the city's central library, storing all the information needed to build and run the cell. Surrounding the nucleus is the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance where many of the cell's functions take place. Think of it as the city's bustling streets and factories, where proteins are synthesized, energy is generated, and waste is disposed of. And then there are the organelles, specialized structures that perform specific tasks, like the city's power plants, recycling centers, and transportation systems. There are ribosomes, the protein factories, mitochondria, the powerhouses that generate energy, and the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tunnels that transport molecules throughout the cell. It's a complex and crowded world, but somehow it all works together in perfect harmony.
Cellular superstars, specialized cells and their unique roles. In the world of cells, one size doesn't fit all. Cells have evolved to specialize in different tasks. This allows multicellular organisms to function at a higher level.
Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, each with a unique role. Nerve cells transmit electrical signals. Muscle cells contract, enabling movement. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight infections.
Each specialized cell type has a unique structure and function. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the diversity of life. Section 6. The marvel of complexity, from single cells to complex organisms. Here's a thought that might make your head spin. Every complex organism on Earth, from a humble ant to a towering redwood tree, started out as a single fertilized egg cell. That tiny cell contained all the information needed to build an entire organism, with all its intricate parts and systems.
How does this happen? It's a process that still holds many mysteries, but we know it involves a complex interplay of genes, proteins, and environmental cues. As cells divide and multiply, they receive signals that tell them what type of cell to become. Some cells become skin cells, others become bone cells, and so on. This process, called cell differentiation, is essential for the development of multicellular organisms. It's what allows a single fertilized egg to develop into a complex organism with specialized tissues and organs.
The next time you look at a tree, a bird, or even your own reflection, remember that you're looking at an incredible feat of cellular teamwork. Trillions of cells working together in perfect harmony to create the symphony of life. Section 7. The Quest for Knowledge. Unraveling the mysteries of early life. While we've learned a great deal about cells and the origins of life, many questions remain unanswered. How did those first self-replicating molecules arise from the primordial soup? What were the earliest cells like, and how did they evolve? How did multicellularity arise, paving the way for the incredible diversity of life we see today? Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the origins of life. Extremophiles thrive in extreme environments like hot springs and deep-sea vents. These creatures offer clues about the conditions under which life might have arisen on early Earth.
By studying these organisms, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of life's origins.
Evolution's masterpiece. The story of the cell is inextricably linked to evolution. Over billions of years, cells have evolved and diversified, creating the array of life forms on Earth.
From simple prokaryotic cells to complex eukaryotic cells, each step brought new innovations.
Photosynthesis allowed cells to harness sunlight, transforming Earth's atmosphere.
The endosymbiotic theory suggests mitochondria and chloroplasts were once free-living bacteria.
The evolution of cells shows natural selection's power, leading to remarkable transformations. Section 9. The future of cell biology, new discoveries on the horizon. The field of cell biology is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and technologies emerging all the time.
Scientists are developing new tools to study cells in unprecedented detail, allowing us to see the inner workings of these microscopic worlds like never before. One exciting area of research is the development of gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, which allow scientists to precisely alter the genetic makeup of cells.
This technology holds immense promise for treating genetic diseases, developing new therapies, and even enhancing crop yields.
Another promising area is the field of synthetic biology, where scientists are using the building blocks of life to create new biological systems with novel functions. Imagine engineering cells to produce biofuels, clean up pollution, or even manufacture new materials.
The possibilities of cell biology are truly endless, and the future holds exciting potential for new discoveries that will continue to revolutionize our understanding of life itself. Section 10. A universe within. Reflecting on the wonders of the cell. Taking a moment to reflect on the wonders of the cell is a humbling experience. These tiny, self-contained worlds, far too small to see with the naked eye, are the fundamental units of all life on Earth. They are the building blocks of our bodies, the engines of our thoughts and actions, and the source of our very existence. The complexity and sophistication of cells is awe-inspiring. From the intricate dance of DNA replication to the elegant machinery of protein synthesis, cells are a testament to the power of evolution and the interconnectedness of all living things. The next time you feel small or insignificant, remember that you are a universe unto yourself, a vast collection of trillions of cells, each one a masterpiece of biological engineering, working together in perfect harmony to create the miracle of you. Section 11. The Enduring Mystery, Celebrating the Miracle of Life. Despite all that we have learned about cells and the origins of life, the spark that ignited life on Earth remains an enduring mystery. How did non-living matter make the leap to become self-replicating and self-organizing? It's a question that continues to fascinate and inspire scientists and philosophers alike.
While we may never know the exact sequence of events that led to the first cells, one thing is certain. Life is a precious and extraordinary phenomenon. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, every living thing is a testament to the power of evolution and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth.
So let us celebrate the miracle of life in all its forms and complexities. Let us marvel at the intricate workings of cells, the fundamental units of life, and the enduring mystery of their origins. And let us continue to explore and learn, for the story of life is a story that is still being written.